Hey guys, it's Jacob here again. Today's March 9th, 2019, and today I'm going to be going over a little bit of instructions on how I label my own slides, and just to do, some simple labeling for, your biology class for online school or anything like that. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into it. So you're going to want to go in your files right here, and then you want to pick the slide that you want. So my slide was this one right here. Okay, so once you select the slide, you want to right click, and then click Edit. Okay, and that'll bring you to this slide right here. Alright, so the way I do it is I click this line, and I click a color that contrasts best with the picture I'm using. So then I begin my labeling by making my lines first. So here's your acidophil cell, and then here's your basophil cell. So then you click the A to type. Click anywhere you want to start your typing. That's where your box will be. So then you start typing acidophil cell. Now you may be thinking, well, I can't really see it that well, so then you want to click opaque so it can contrast against the slide. And then just, move it around a little bit, make it look better. Alright, and basophil cell. Like that. And then just edit it just like that. And that's how you do it. And then if you want to make more lines, you just click the line again. Make lines wherever you want, a point. This is the anterior of the pituitary gland. And now we're going to do the posterior side of the pituitary gland. We're going to find the pituitary, or the nucleus of the pituitary. So again, you want to go into your files, find the file that you want to edit, click it, right click, edit. And here's your nucleus of the pituitary. So you're going to go ahead and select your color, select what you want. So I'm going to select my line. Right here. Click the A to type. Nucleus of the pituitary. And then you're just going to click opaque. Edit it a little bit just like that. And boom, there's how you edit. I'm going to show you a few more of my edits that I've done in the past for this week. So let's take a look at the adrenal gland. Here's my adrenal gland edit. Here's my ovary edit. Here's my pancreas edit. And here is my pituitary gland edit. And lastly, where's the testes? Actually, I think there's two more. Oh well. Thyroid. Here's thyroid, or testes. And here's thyroid. Right here. So those are my edits, and that's a little bit of an easier instruction of how to edit and label. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video, and I hope you guys learned a little bit. Thank you again, and I'll see you on the next one.